Find A if sec A equals to under root of 3 by 4 to the power minus 1. First, look, it's looking a negative exponent. So we can write sec A equals to root 1 divide 3 by 4. Okay. So this one is sec A equals to root. Now the fraction will be flipped. So 4 by 3. Now sec A equals to, once we make a root, so it will be 2 divide root 3. We know sec 30 degree means 2 by root 3. So we can write sec 30 degree. So we can write A equals to 30 degree. This is our answer. Thank you.